Thinking about using a VPN? You probably want one to protect your privacy, right? To keep your online activity away from prying eyes, but here's the scary part. What if the very tool you're using to protect your privacy is secretly logging everything you do? It's a huge problem. Many VPNs claim they have a no-log policy, but when you dig deeper, you find out that's not exactly true. They might not log your browsing history, but what about your connection times, your IP address, or how much data you use? This information can still be used to identify you, which completely defeats the purpose of using a VPN in the first place. It's a breach of trust, and it can have serious consequences, leaving you exposed when you thought you were protected. I remember when I first started getting serious about online security. I spent hours comparing different VPN services, and honestly, it was overwhelming. Every single one had a flashy website promising ironclad security and total anonymity. I picked one that seemed popular and had good reviews. For months, I used it, feeling secure. It wasn't until a news article came out about that same company cooperating with authorities by providing user data that I realized my mistake. They had logs. Despite their promises, they had logs. I felt so naive and betrayed. That personal experience taught me a valuable lesson. You can't just take a company's marketing claims at face value. You have to do your own research. So how do you find a VPN you can actually trust? The key is to look for proof. Don't just rely on their website's promises. You need to look for independent third-party audits. These are when a reputable external security firm goes through the VPN provider's entire system, their servers, their code, everything, to verify that they truly don't keep any logs. It's like having an independent inspector check a restaurant's kitchen for cleanliness. It's the only way to be sure. A company that is truly committed to your privacy will be transparent and proudly display these audit reports for everyone to see. This is where a service like Purev stands out. They don't just say they have a no-log policy. They prove it. They were one of the first in the industry to undergo independent audits to verify their no-log claims, and they didn't just do it once. They've had multiple audits from top-tier firms. What's even better is their always-on audit policy. This means an auditing firm can check their systems at any time without any warning. That's a level of transparency and confidence you just don't see from many other providers. It shows they are truly committed to not keeping logs and have nothing to hide. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. It's a fundamental part of how they operate, giving you verifiable peace of mind. Now, choosing a VPN involves more than just a no-log policy. You also have to consider speed, server locations, features like a kill switch, and customer support. It's a lot to take in. That is why I've put together a comprehensive VPN guide to help you make an informed decision. In this guide, I break down all the technical jargon, explain what features actually matter, and walk you through how to evaluate a VPN's privacy policy and audit reports for yourself. I want to empower you with the knowledge to see past the marketing and choose a service that genuinely protects you. The link to the full guide is right in the description below. It's completely free, and it's the resource I wish I had when I first started. So, the next time you see a VPN promising 100 anonymity, be skeptical, ask for the proof, look for those independent audits. Your online privacy is too important to leave to chance or to trust a company based on their word alone. Educate yourself, check the evidence, and choose a provider that respects your data. The internet can be a risky place, but with the right knowledge and the right tools, you can navigate it safely and privately. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on digital privacy and security. See you in the next one.